Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market update, and we will figure out, is bear stock market rally over or it's still bullish? Let's do technical analysis review and we will figure out. Now let's move to 5 rules of simple risk management. Just please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Okay, let's move to trading view. Stock market heat map. All USA companies based on the market cap and weekly performance, right? Weekly performance, technology services looks like red. Sorry, let me minimize it. Technology services red, right? Electronic service technology red. Finance, yeah, mix. Health technology kind of half and half, 50-50, green and red. And energy green. Everything else looks red. Looks red. Consumer services, Visa, MasterCard, kind of 50-50. Generally, a lot of red, few sectors just green, few sectors. It's a weekly performance. Now let's move to my watch list and let's start from USA dollar. And remember, weekly time frame, I don't trade weekly time frame. For swing trading, I'm using daily time frame for entry and exit position. Weekly, I just monitor. Weekly, monthly, just market trend direction. That's all. And if you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup training and other links about all my trainings. Now let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using simple moving averages, white line SMA 200, yellow line SMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5, buy and sell script indicator. Also MACD indicator and Fibonacci indicators bars and RSI yellow line. That's all. Very simple. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved, but if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. And let me briefly mention how it works. Look at it. When bars above MA5, you see, it's a bullish trend because MA5 above 10 and 20, it's a bullish trend. When bars below MA5, because always MA5 below 5 and 10 and 20, it's not always. It's always below 10. Not always below 20. It is bearish trend. When bars below MA5, it's always bearish trend. What we are observing now, 4 weeks ago, bar was below MA5. It was bearish trend. What we are observing now, last bar above MA5, 10 and 20, and it closed above all moving averages. MACD, Fibonacci, RSI, all indicators bullish. And buy signal just turn on. Just turn on buy signal. It's a DXY USA dollar on weekly time frame. Now it doesn't mean anything. It's positive signal. Like here it was positive, but what it happened later, it did reversal, right? Similar can happen here also. Same was here. It was bullish crossover, bullish territory, and it was reversed. Let's see what will happen here. So far, it's a positive bullish signal on all indicators. Let's see daily. Daily, it is positive bullish signal, right? Buy signal started from here, from July 19. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 20. Bullish signal, last bar above MA5, 10 and 20. You see, when bars below MA5, bearish trend. When bars above MA5, bullish trend. It can touch SMA 200. It can be rejection from SMA 200. That's what kind of strong resistant level next to SMA 200. So far, it is bullish on daily and weekly. Now let's move to Qs. Let's start weekly. Qs weekly, similar last 2 weeks, last 2 red bars. Previous week it was minus 3% bar. This week was minus 1.5% bar. Looks like together it's minus 4.5% negative. From the top it's kind of 5%, right? From the top it's a 5% Qs already cut it. And MACD, RSI, Fibonacci already turned red. The bearish reversal signal on all indicators. MA5 didn't make bearish crossover. Sell signal from the script, but MA5 still about 10. For full confirmation, we need to start MA5 to do bearish crossover over 10 and bar move below 20 for full bearish reversal confirmation. So far, still bullish, in the bullish territory, in the positive territory, but it is disconnected from MA20. Qs kind of in the bearish reversal signal on weekly time frame, right? 5 hours, daily Qs already in bearish reversal, right? MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 20 and last bar below 5, 10 and 20. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators on daily time frame for Qs. Volatility indexes, no fear on the market at all. It is weekly. Actually, weekly is positive. It's a negative for Qs. Negative for Qs, but still very weak. S&P 500. Let's start S&P 500. Weekly. Similar like Qs, MACD is still green, didn't make bearish crossover, only Fibonacci changed to red. Sell signal from the script also. Let's calculate what was sell-off. First week it gave us 2.25%, and this week it's just 2.5%. S&P 500 just sell off 2.5% for last 2 weeks. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. 2.5%, right? Sell signal, and it stopped at MA10. Will it bounce from it? Absolutely possible. Just 2 weeks in a row red. We didn't see 2 weeks in a row red since February. No, actually we saw it here in May. In May we had 2 red weeks. Okay, weekly still in a positive mode, still very far disconnected from 20, still bullish. S&P on daily it is different. It's already in bearish reversal signal and bearish reversal mode on all indicators, and last bar below MA5, 10 and 20. Bearish trend on daily time frame for S&P. Let's check weeks. What's going on with weeks? Weeks is still bullish. Even the week was bearish. The red bar was bearish, minus 13% sell-off. But still MA5 did bullish crossover, still buy signal, still all indicators bullish. It is negative for S&P 500. But generally no fear on the market for S&P. Now let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones weekly. Dow Jones weekly, it was green week, just flat, green week, 0.5%, still bullish. Last bar still above all moving averages, still bullish on all indicators, still last bar far from 10 from 20, still bullish on all indicators, right? Still bullish on all indicators weekly. And daily it was kind of in bearish reversal, right? MA5 did bearish reversal, and bars moved below MA5, 10. Last bar, it just stopped between MA20 and MA10. It's still in a fight mode between 10 and 20. Because MA5 below 10, it's possible that it can do bearish crossover over 20 and move below 20 next week. So far, all indicators bearish, sell signal from the script, MA5 bearish crossover, MACD bearish crossover, RSI, Fibonacci, all indicators bearish. But bar still about 20 in positive territory. Okay, that's what we are observing on Dow Jones. And now let's see VXD, volatility index for Dow Jones. Also on weekly it is still positive, still bullish. It means bearish for Dow Jones. IWM Russell 2000 weekly. IWM Russell 2000 weekly. Sell signal from the script. IWM did like previous week it did minus 1%. This week it did minus 1.5%, like almost 2.75% negative. Almost 3% negative, right? For last 2 weeks. Still bullish signal, even last bar gave us sell signal. It is still about 10 and 20, and 20 did bullish crossover. It's very positive, very bullish on moving averages. All indicators still green, still positive on weekly time frame for IWM. And daily, let's see daily. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20, and last bar below 5, 10 and 20. Bearish reversal signal on daily time frame from all indicators. Sell signal from the script. Bearish trend on daily. And weekly, like I said, it is still positive, still bullish. Just first indicator from the script turn to sell mode. RVX, volatility index for Russell 2000. All indicators still bullish. Even last week was very negative, minus 8.5%. It moved from, it was above MA20 and it came back to the MA10. SMA10, right? SMA10 still bullish mode. It's negative for Russell 2000. Now let's move to Apple. Apple was so powerful, so bullish, right? Look at it. It was so powerful, so bullish. Bars were above MA5 very long time. It was very powerful bull run since January. For 7-8 months was straight bull run without any correction. And suddenly from August 1st, it did bearish reversal. First bar, first week minus 7%, second week minus 2.5%. It means total is almost 10% correction already on Apple. Almost 10%, right? It moved almost from the $200, 198 to 170. It touched 176, right? 176. $25 move. Yeah, that $20 move, it's a 10%, definitely 10% correction from the top. Apple did already 10% correction, right? And it switched to bearish reversal. Sell signal, MA5 did bearish crossover. Last bar even closed below 20. It can stop at MA20. MA20 is strong support. It can stop. You see here, it stopped and bounced. It can stop and bounce from it. Absolutely. Bearish reversal signal on all indicators on weekly time frame. Yeah, looks like it's a resistant level. You see, this is a resistant level, 178. Yeah, this is, you see, it's resistance in this level. You see a lot of resistance, actually, no, I'm sorry. It's not resistant. It was resistant here, but for now, this all points, it's all support. It's all support. At this level, it's all support and SMA 20 support. A lot of support. Definitely at this level, it can stop and go sideways or can bounce. It is at the support level. All indicators already gave us bearish reversal signal. It's not confirmed. The confirmed bearish reversal when bar moves below SMA20. Full confirmed bearish trend when MA5 and 10 and bars move below 20. So far it is about 20, right? Now bar is already at MA20. Let's check daily what's going on. Daily, it's definitely bearish reversal. It left gap down, left gap down. On RSI, it's very oversold, right? It definitely wants to have some bounce. It wants to have some correction. It's very oversold on daily time frame for Apple. Now let's move to Tesla. Tesla weekly. Tesla from start, it's also from the top, right? It was $300 and now the low was $236. It means minus $60. Minus $60. It's a 20% sell-off on Tesla. 20% sell-off. Really? Yeah, from 300 it moved to 240. It's $60. $60 from 20%, from 300, it's a 20% correction. Tesla in 20% correction mode. MA5 ready for bearish crossover. MACD ready for bearish crossover. RSI and Fibonacci already did bearish crossover. Sell signal from the script. All indicators already aligned to bearish trend. The last bar can move and touch 20. It can bounce from it. 20 can be strong support, or this will be resistant level. This level $200 to around 200, 210. It will be a lot of resistance here. I'm sorry, a lot of support here. It will be a lot of support because this area is resistant. It was resistant, right? But not because resistant over here because of these points. But now it will be support. It will be strong support and it can stop at that level. When it gets to this level, MA200 can move to this level also, and it will be strong support around $200. Let's check what daily. Daily, it's very bearish, right? Bearish reversal, bearish trend on all indicators for Tesla. No changes. I'm sorry, let me turn on gaps. You see gaps, and the last gap. Yeah, definitely it will close this gap, and this gap can be balanced. It left huge gap above, and it still has gap below over here, around 150. It left it. I believe the $200 will be strong support level. We'll see. I don't do predictions. Okay, bearish on daily and weekly time frame for Tesla. That's, you see, on weekly you can, beautiful to see that. But before to get to this gap, you have support at around 200 level, support at 200 level dollars, and SMA 200 level dollars, and another support around $160, around $160-$70, and 150 is the gap, and make double bottom, right? And Tesla can make double bottom around $100. Can make a double bottom. Okay, now let's move to Nvidia. Nvidia weekly time frame. Nice bearish reversal bar. Last week it did minus 8.5%. Previous week it was 4.5%. In total, it's a 13%, right? 13% in the total. Nvidia already did correction 13%. and closed way below 10 and 5 moving averages. Still far from 20, disconnected from 20. Also, it left 20% gap. I still believe it will close this gap because it will have support at this level around 270. Around 270 to 80. That's the strong support level. And the next one will be around 170 support. That's what we have. Bearish reversal signal on weekly time frame for Nvidia. If you're bullish, Nvidia already changed direction to bearish. On daily time frame, Nvidia full bearish reversal signal in my 5, 10 and bars below 20. It is a full bearish reversal signal, right? Full bearish reversal signal, and it's moving to bearish, to gap up. It definitely can touch the gap, can bounce and continue a trend, can fill the gap and bounce. That's possible too. Bearish trend on daily and weekly time frame. Now let's move to Microsoft. Microsoft weekly time frame. Microsoft also gave us bearish reversal signal. Microsoft bearish reversal signal. The top was 366, right? Now it's around 320. It's sold already $65, right? $65. It means it's a 20% correction. 20% correction. Microsoft did similar like Tesla. It already gave us 20% correction. And the support level, and it stopped at the support level SMA 20, right? Support SMA 20. We'll see. Will it stop and bounce from it? Absolutely possible. Or it will continue to have bearish. So far, all indicators bearish. MACD, RSI, Fibonacci, all bearish. Earnings season is over. It's a dividend date very soon. Let's check daily. Microsoft bearish trend, right? MA5, 10 and bars below 20. Fully confirmed bearish trend on all indicators for Microsoft. Nothing changed. Bearish trend. Let's move to Amazon. Amazon is positive, right? Last bar moved below 5, but still above all moving averages. Bearish divergences on all indicators. Definitely wants to have correction. It left gap up. Definitely wants to close this gap. So far, it's still bullish. Let's move to weekly. Weekly, it's still bullish trend, right? Still bullish trend. Nothing changed. MA5 did bullish crossover over 200. It is powerful bullish crossover. It is powerful. This week it's negative week. It's just 1% minus for Amazon. But Amazon is, I would say the Amazon is most powerful, the most bullish stock from the mega 8 stocks. Because you see, like all moving averages 5, 10 and 20, they all uptrend. It is powerful bullish trend. At the same time, RSI in overbought territory. It definitely can be correction. Possible that at SMA 200, it will be rejected from SMA 200, and it will be correction from this point. Absolutely possible. Or it can continue bullish trend. It can move down, connect back to 20, and continue bullish for Amazon. Absolutely. On weekly time frame, it looks positive, looks bullish, but at the same time, it's overbought on RSI. But very strong, not like others. Daily time frame, like already said, right? Still bullish also on all indicators on daily time frame. Now let's move to Alibaba Group. Baba daily, it is bearish on all indicators, and weekly. Weekly Alibaba very weak, right? Because it's still below 200, way below 200. It is bearish territory. At the same time, MA5 and 10 and bars did bullish crossover over 20. They are above MA20. It is at least positive signal. Positive signal on all indicators in the bearish territory. It's weak and flat for Baba. Baba is positive, at least it's a positive. It's trying to get out from very oversold territory. That's all. Let's do summary. Weekly time frame, right? USA dollar is bullish. We'll see will it continue or it will be rejected from the SMA 200. All indexes on weekly time frame, they ready for bearish reversal signal, because on daily time frame they all already in bearish reversal signal, all indexes except Dow Jones, right? Dow Jones still powerful, still bullish. Dow Jones not in bearish reversal mode yet, still in a positive bullish mode on weekly time frame. Huge equity, mega equities already on weekly time frame in bearish reversal signal, like Apple already minus 10%, Tesla minus 20% on weekly time frame in bearish reversal, Nvidia minus 13% in reversal signal, Microsoft minus 20% in reversal signal. Only Amazon is still powerful and bullish on all indicators. That's what we have. From my watch list, I have two positive. One is a Dow Jones index and one Amazon indicator. Amazon equity stock positive. Everything else in bearish territory and bearish reversal signal and a bearish trend. That's what we observe. And remember, so far, no fear on the market. The all volatility indexes, they still kind of, they still positive on weekly time frame. It means it will be negative for indexes, but so far, investors still positive. They have still positive mood. They still sentiment still positive. They still want to buy every dip until some event will destroy this sentiment from the investment, the bullish sentiment. Investors, they still believe the market is still bullish and they buy every single dip. That's why we can expect large bounces from this moment, from this position. Okay, because like I said, on the monthly time frame, look at it. Let me see on the monthly time frame cues. Because on the monthly time frame, they all still bullish, right? They all still bullish. It means for investors, they are still positive, they are still bullish. They can buy every single dip. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need, at least for 6 months, to get profitable state. That's the goal. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye. Tomorrow I will do monthly update.